Hi, it's Jason Streich. We're back in my neighborhood of Point McKay. We're showcasing a beautiful townhouse that backs onto a private green space. One of the things people love about living in Point McKay is spending a lot of time in the great outdoors. And with this backyard, you'll be spending a lot of time enjoying the outside yourself. We've got 2 bedrooms, 1,300 square feet, and a beautiful home office for you. Hope you enjoy having a look at this property. If you have any questions on 519, you'd like a private tour, please let me know. Or if you have any questions about Point McKay, I've been living and working at Point McKay for 28 years. Be happy to show you around. Hope you enjoy your tour today. Thanks. Have a great day.